We are going to discuss about the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. See here, a parallel plate capacitor consists of two thin plate, conducting plate, each of area A, held parallel to, like that, parallel to each other at a suitable distance D. This distance they have given D. D will be the distance between two plates. This is distance D. One of the plates is insulated. This plate I have done insulated and this I have connected with earth. By induction what happen? This will becomes negative charge. Electrons will come from earth to this plate, and this will become equal and opposite negative charge. See here, when other is earth, it becomes negative charge. So see here, this will positive charge, this will negative charge. Suppose Q charge I have given, what will be the density? Surface charge density becomes Q upon A. Q is given charge and A is the area. So sigma is equal to Q upon A. See here, I have told you, if any charge plate is here which has surface charge density sigma, due to this what happen? What will be the electric field intensity? Suppose this electric field intensity I have denoted by E1. So this will be radially perpendicular to the plate and outward. This will be the direction. And what will be the magnitude? Magnitude will be, I have told in early section, a thin plate sheet. Electric field intensity due to that is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. It is independent of R. Here what happened? Electric field intensity outward. This is also sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. This is E1 perpendicular to plate and outward. If second plate we have taken, here negative, second plate which has minus sigma, equal and opposite, what about the electric field intensity due to this? So due to this what happened? Electric field intensity, suppose it is E2. P2 is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, magnitude is. But direction is what? Perpendicular and towards the negative plate. This will be the direction. But if we'll take point outside, this outside, so direction will be what? Here E2, here E2, magnitude is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. If we'll see E1 and E2, outside the plate, here E1 will be this. If we'll see outside the plate, so they are opposite direction, E1 and E2, mean net field is equal to what? Net field is equal to 0. Same way here if we'll see, one is perpendicular right way, one is left way. For positive charge it will right way, negative charge left way. Here also equal and opposite, E is equal to E1 minus E2, so that is also 0. But if we'll see between the plate, so both have same direction, E1 and E2. Then here what is resultant? E1 plus E2, that is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, that is sigma upon epsilon naught. And direction is from positive plate to negative plate. Remember that if you have taken two plates, charged one plate, insulated it, and other is earth, due to induction there will be same charge density, negative charge density. So what to happen? Electric field between the plates is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught from positive plate to negative, and outside electric field will be 0 because they are equal and opposite. They are equal and opposite. You can see here in this electric field between the plate, that is sigma upon epsilon naught, and outside plate electric field is 0. So see here what we have seen, electric field intensity between the plate is sigma upon epsilon naught, and this sigma is equal to what? Q upon A. So that is Q upon A epsilon naught. This is between the plate. Between plate. And outside plate E is equal to 0. See here, electric field intensity will be constant between the plate, and this is Q upon A epsilon naught. What will be the potential difference? Potential difference between the plate. Potential difference between plate. What we know? V is equal to what? Potential difference V is equal to what? E into D. Potential difference E is equal to dV upon dt. Magnitude. So V is equal to what? E into D. So that is V is equal to E Q upon A epsilon naught into D. So what will be the capacitance? Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Plate capacitor. So C is equal to what? Q upon V. Charge we have given Q, and voltage and potential difference will be QD upon A epsilon naught. So if you are putting here Q upon QD upon A epsilon naught, what happen? Q cancel out, A epsilon naught upon D. So what will be the electric field? Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, epsilon naught A upon D. So you can see here the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, that is directly proportional to directly proportional to area of plate. If area of plate I have increases, what happen? Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor increases, and inversely proportional to distance between two plates. Inversely proportional to, if you will decrease the distance, capacitance will increase. See here I have taken vacuum or air between the plates. If you are taking the dielectric medium, what happen? Capacity will increase. It will discuss later. So here we can see if you want to increase capacitance, area will increase, means size of parallel plate capacitor will increase. Another thing, we can decrease the distance between parallel plate, but it has some limit, because a particular limit, if you more decreasing the distance, leakage charge will takes place, it will damage to area, and distance is related with the capacitance. So capacitance can be increased by increasing area, and when decreasing the distance between plate, we can increase the capacitance. So this is the formula of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when there is no dielectric medium, just there is air, or you can say there is vacuum. When dielectric we are putting between the plates, if dielectric you have put it, any dielectric is there, what happen? I have told you the polar molecules, positive, they are get Due to induction, they are got near to the negative charge. There is induction. Due to induction, this surface will becomes positive charge, induced charge. Here it becomes negative charge. One electric field arises due to polarization. This is suppose this is EP. That will depends upon the dielectric. One opposite electric field due to polarization induced inside the dielectric. So suppose if external field is E naught, here external field is E naught between the plates, and EP is the due to polarization electric field which is opposite to the external field. So what will be the net field? The net field inside the dielectric or inside any medium. So this EM, suppose I have net field, I have shown by EM. So EM becomes E minus EP. So net field inside the dielectric will be E naught is external field, E minus EP. And what we have seen, this E naught minus EP, that depends upon the dielectric constant, that is equal to what? Net electric field outside upon K. So electric field inside dielectric is 1 upon K times to the external field. So if external field, electric field is E naught, then the field inside the dielectric they reduced, and they reduced how much? 1 upon K times the external field. So see here, if we have put it a dielectric inside the plate, between the plates, if I have put a dielectric, what happened? What happened? The E naught net field becomes external field upon K times. What will be the electric field if there is dielectric between the plates? K is dielectric constant. What will be the electric field? Electric field inside the dielectric, that will becomes E naught external field upon K, 1 upon K. What will be the external field? This is sigma upon epsilon naught. That is 1 upon epsilon naught K, sigma is Q upon A. So this will be the electric field throughout the dielectric. What will be the potential difference? Potential difference is what? Electric field into the distance between them, D. The potential difference Q upon epsilon naught K A D. This will be the potential difference. So what will be the capacitance? Capacitance C is equal to Q upon V, Q upon Q D, epsilon naught K A, Q cancel, epsilon naught K A upon D. So capacitance, when there is a medium, dielectric medium, so that is equal to epsilon naught K A upon D. Mean you can see here K into epsilon naught A upon D, or you can say K into C. So when if you are inserting dielectric between the plates, the capacitance increase K times to the capacitance when there is vacuum or air. So you can see here the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor, when dielectric are inserted between the plates, it becomes K times. The formula is Cm epsilon naught Ka upon D. We are going to discuss about the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when conducting slab inserted. Previously I have told you, when there is air or vacuum, what will be the capacitance? C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. If dielectric is there, to epsilon naught A K upon D. If I have inserted a conducting slab, this is conducting slab, see here, this is conducting slab of width T inserted between the plates. What will be the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor? As we know, E naught is electric field intensity when there is no slab, when no slab is inserted. What is the value of E naught? Electric field inside, I have told you, that is sigma upon epsilon naught or Q upon A epsilon naught. Outside it is 0. Conducting slab, we know the electric field intensity inside conductor, it is 0. Conducting slab inserted electric field inside conducting slab is 0, and this is width T, this conducting slab width T. So what will be the potential difference between two plates? Potential difference V is equal to what? The E naught, this without conducting slab, what are the space? See here, total D, T is conducting slab, the remaining is what? D minus T. So this E naught electric field will be for distance D minus T. So E naught will be for distance D minus T. That's why potential due to E naught is E naught into width D minus T plus for T width electric field intensity is 0. So 0 into T. So this will be the potential difference. V is equal to E naught. E naught is equal to what? Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T. If you solve it, what will be the capacitance? Capacitance of capacitor when conducting slab is inserted. So C is equal to Q upon potential difference Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T. Q cancel out. What happened? This A epsilon naught go up D minus T. You can say C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T. So when conducting slab of width T inserted, that time capacitance becomes epsilon naught A upon D minus T. So you can see here the denominator reduced, this mean capacitance will increase. So when conducting slab we have inserted, so what they do, they will reduce the distance between the plate. D change in D minus T. That's why what happened? Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor increases. If in the place of conducting slab, if I have inserted a dielectric slab of width t, then what happen? So when dielectric slab inserted, actually what happen? I have told earlier, due to polarization, one electric field opposite to external field induced inside the dielectric slab. That's why E net, E medium, dielectric medium is equal to what? E naught minus EP. And also I have told this is 1 upon K times net electric field outside the dielectric slab. So when dielectric slab inserted electric field, net electric field inside the dielectric slab becomes 1 upon K times of electric field E naught. So see here, E naught is electric field intensity. When no slab is inserted, the E naught is equal to what? Sigma upon epsilon naught Q upon A epsilon naught. When dielectric slab inserted, the electric field inside dielectric slab EM is equal to what? 1 upon K times of E naught. So what will be the potential difference? See here, this electric field EM is for width T and rest D minus T electric field is E naught. So how can we calculate potential difference? So see here, this E naught electric field, we know V is equal to E into D. So E naught is for distance width D minus T and electric field EM is for width T. So E naught D minus T plus V is equal to V1 plus V2, so EM into T. Solve it. E naught D minus T plus EM is equal to what? E naught upon K into T. If you have taken E naught common, the E D minus T plus T upon K. What is E naught? E naught is equal to Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. So this will be the potential difference. So what will be the capacitance? The capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when dielectric slab inserted. So this C becomes C is equal to Q upon potential difference Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. Q cancel out, A epsilon naught will go upward, so that will becomes epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T upon K. The formula, when dielectric slab inserted, width T is there, so capacitance become epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T upon K. So this will be the formula for capacitance when dielectric slab of width T is inserted. Here also you can see this is D minus T plus T upon K is less than D. That's why what's happened? Capacitance will increase. See here. When dielectric slab inserted, to C is equal to epsilon naught A D minus T upon T plus T upon K. So by the help of this formula, we can define all three. हम सभी को इससे ही define कर सकते हैं. For example, suppose करो dielectric slab is inserted for whole width, mean T is equal to T. Width of dielectric slab is the distance between the plate. That time what happen? Formula becomes epsilon naught A upon T के स्थान पर D लिखोगे बेटा. तो अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो ये वही फार्मूला आ गया, epsilon naught A K upon D. You can see for whole width एक ही फार्मूले से यहाँ भी आ गया. अगर सपोज करो हमने कंडक्टिंग स्लैब लिया T width, तो कंडक्टिंग स्लैब के लिए क्या होता है बेटा, फॉर कंडक्टिंग स्लैब K इज इक्वल टू कितना होता है, इनफाइनाइट डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट. इफ यू आर पुटिंग हियर तो C इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन D माइनस T अपॉन T अपॉन इनफाइनाइट. 1 अपॉन इनफाइनाइट 0. तो देखो वही आ गया फार्मूला D माइनस T. ठीक है. एंड इफ नो मीडियम इज देयर, नो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम, तो नो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम का मतलब क्या हो बेटा, वैक्यूम आर नियर बाई एयर. एक्चुअल में एयर का भी डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट थोड़ा k का मान 1 से मोर होता है, बट नियर बाई वी आर टेकिंग एज 1. तो व्हाट, नो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम इज देयर, तो दैट मीन एयर आर वैक्यूम. तो k इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 1. तो if you are putting k is equal to 1, then c is equal to क्या होगा बेटा, एप्सिलॉन नॉट a अपॉन d माइनस t प्लस t अपॉन 1. तो दैट इज एप्सिलॉन नॉट a अपॉन d. तो बाय द वन फार्मूला c एप्सिलॉन नॉट a अपॉन d माइनस t प्लस t अपॉन k, we can define all conducting slab or slab kept full width or no dielectric medium is there. We can find all the formula by this. So remember this, C is equal to epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K when a dielectric slab of width T and dielectric constant K is inserted between the plates of parallel plate capacitor. So this formula is very important. How we will use, we will discuss later.